Welcome to HitPaw channel. How to remove photo background online for any purposes. It's easy. Whether you want to make transparent backgrounds, or change and customize image background for online shops, social media, profile photos and more, all can be done with simple clicks. Now allow me to introduce you guys the new version of HitPaw Online Background Remover. This tool can provide you useful photo editing tools to make your images more natural and professional. As usual, the website link can be found in the description. Once you enter the page, you want to click the Remove Now button. Here you can choose an image of your own or drag and drop it to process. Take this girl's image for instance. After processing, we can see the tool has automatically recognized the main subject in the photo and removed the background. That's before. And that's after. On the right side are some background presets: single color, transparent background, or image background. Then you can click download to save the image on local file. But in case you want to do more editing, you may click this edit button to do further editing. Here are more presets available for you to customize. You can also upload a local image as background and position the girl in a suitable place. On the right side panel are background restorer and eraser tool. Like if I want to remove the cup on her hands, I would use the eraser tool and paint out the cup. And when I want to get it back, I would use the restore brush to paint it back. There is a shadow button here. Once we turn it on, there will be shadow casting on the background. Next you want to adjust the shadow opacity, radius, and color. You can also move the position of the shadow to a suitable place to make it look natural. It works well in some product images. When everything is set okay, click the download button to save it on your local file. Alright, that's how you can remove photo background online. Very welcome to leave your comments below on this tool to help us improve. And if you have images or videos with watermark to remove, you may check our other videos about watermark remover. If this video helps, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel. We will keep you updated of useful multimedia tools and ideas. Stay tuned and see you next time.